Hello, this is Harmonics. And before anything, I just want to thank you for taking the time to look at my video. I know that there's a lot of channels out there that talk about cryptos and stocks, and you have a lot of options. One thing about my channel is that I am not going to hype any coin. I am literally going to give you a very honest point of view, of course, my point of view. And I just want to let you know that with technical analysis, I see personally where I should be buying, where I should be selling. Of course, this is my personal idea, this is my personal thought. And by no means I am trying to make you buy, hold, or sell a coin. This is not financial advice. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about Dogecoin. I actually made a video a couple of days ago about where Dogecoin was, and there has been some development on the technical analysis chart. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out right now, and yeah, let's go into the chart here. So here is Dogecoin, and I'm looking at Dogecoin on the daily chart. And on the last video, I was talking about how Dogecoin needed to break this part right here. There was this mini trend line going towards the downside, and the fact that Dogecoin, did break, and now we're actually, bouncing off this trend line that was once resistance but now support level. That's actually pretty good. That's actually really, really, really good. Um, the RSI is still wanting to go up. We're still above this moving average here, and I think that we should be hitting 50 and above pretty soon. The stochastic looks like there's been a little bit of a sell-off right here, but I think that we are gonna most likely keep going up as long as Bitcoin does. Bitcoin looks good in the short term, and I'm gonna explain that in the next video pretty soon about what's going on with Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin holds, Dogecoin is looking pretty good. I think that what's gonna happen is we're gonna probably retrace a little bit, and then we're going to start going towards this trend line here, which is resistance right now, which is around like 19 cents or so. And then once we hit that, I think that we might retrace it, pass it, then a little bit of retracement, and then we're going to go all the way up here to around 20 cents. So we're on our way to 20 cents. 20 cents is a big resistance level, and this is where Dogecoin needs to pass that as soon as possible, because if we don't do that, then we're definitely most likely gonna start going down, and that's gonna look bearish because we cannot pass this area where Dogecoin crashed originally. So as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, then Dogecoin is gonna be okay. I like to buy dips like this at order blocks and then sell them. This market has not been for people who had just been holding the coin. It's been more for people that actually just simply do swing trades or do trading. But I don't like to do leverage trading, so I just like to buy the coin and sell it later. And so far, I'm still holding my Dogecoin, but I might be selling it, once it reaches 18 cents and then 20 cents eventually, and then we'll see. And then I'm gonna see what happens with the market and then go from there. So I am gonna go back into my camera here. And oops, sorry, technical difficulties. All right, here we go. So I think that Dogecoin right now in the short term is in a good position. I am playing Dogecoin until 20 cents, and then I'm personally gonna start taking some profits. And again, I want to remind you guys, this is not financial advice. This is just what I am actually doing with my own trades. And I do urge you to always do your own due diligence and your own research in whatever assets you want to buy, hold, or sell. Right? Thank you so much for watching my video. Harmonics out. Take care, guys. Bye.